Sugar cookies, a classic treat, originated in Europe. Here's a brief history. Origins: medieval Europe. Early forms of sugar cookies were simple recipes with just a few ingredients: sugar, butter, flour, and eggs. They were often shaped and decorated to celebrate special occasions. 16th century England. Known as jumbles, these cookies were dense and often flavored with spices or nuts. Development: 17th and 18th century America. German settlers in Pennsylvania are credited with developing the modern version of the sugar cookie. These were simpler and made with more readily available ingredients, like sugar and butter. Nazareth Cookies. In the late 1700s, the Moravians, a Protestant group from Germany, settled in Nazareth, Pennsylvania, and created a round, crumbly, buttery cookie that became known as the Nazareth Sugar Cookie. Modern day, sugar cookies have become a staple in many cultures, especially in the United States, where they are popular during holidays like Christmas and Halloween. They are often decorated with icing and sprinkles and come in various shapes and sizes. Sugar cookies, while delicious and enjoyable, are not typically considered a health food due to their high sugar and fat content. However, they can have some indirect benefits when consumed in moderation. Psychological and social benefits. Boosts mood. Enjoying a sugar cookie can provide a quick mood boost due to the sugar content, which can temporarily increase levels of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that contributes to feelings of well-being and happiness. Social bonding. Sharing sugar cookies during social gatherings, holidays, or celebrations can strengthen social bonds and enhance feelings of connection and joy. Nutritional content in moderation. Energy source. Sugar cookies provide a quick source of energy due to their carbohydrate content. This can be helpful if you need a rapid energy boost. Occasional treat. Including treats like sugar cookies in a balanced diet can prevent feelings of deprivation, helping to maintain a healthier relationship with food. Potential downsides: high sugar content. Excessive consumption of sugar cookies can lead to health issues such as weight gain, tooth decay, and increased risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. High caloric content. Sugar cookies are often calorie-dense, which can contribute to overeating and weight gain if not consumed in moderation. Conclusion: while sugar cookies are not a health food, enjoying them occasionally and in moderation can be part of a balanced diet. They can provide psychological and social benefits, adding to overall well-being and happiness. Please subscribe, like, and don't forget to click the notification bell to be updated to my new video.